There is an advantage most people overlook. Not because it's rare, but because it's quiet. It doesn't announce itself, it doesn't demand attention. And it doesn't perform confidence. That's why it's underestimated. This video is about that quiet advantage, why it's dismissed early, how it creates leverage without noise, and why calm ambition tends to win over time. People read behavior quickly. They notice volume, speed, certainty. Quiet behavior doesn't trigger those signals. So it gets misread as hesitation or lack of ambition or waiting for direction. That misreading isn't neutral, it sets expectations low. Low expectation reduces scrutiny. When people don't expect much, they don't monitor closely. They don't challenge early decisions. They don't interrupt momentum. They don't anticipate moves. Their space is valuable. It allows calm people to build position without resistance. Loud ambition attracts attention. Attention attracts comparison. Comparison attracts competition. Competition attracts interference. When ambition is visible, others adjust to it. They protect their territory. They push back. They challenge intent. Quiet ambition moves below that radar. Underestimation isn't an insult, it's leverage. When others assume you are less of a threat, they reveal more. They speak freely, they show priorities. They expose constraints. Information flows toward the underestimated. That information compounds advantage. Calm people rarely rush to correct perception. They don't announce capability. They don't argue for recognition. They don't clarify intents early, not because they can't, but because correction removes leverage. When you correct perception too soon, you invite resistance. Perception shifts quietly. Not with an announcement, but with outcomes. Decision starts sticking, resistance drops. Others adjust behavior without explanation. By the time perception updates, position is already established. The quiet advantage doesn't rely on energy, attention, performance. It relies on consistency, judgment, restraint. Those scale without fatigue. That's why quiet ambition lasts while louder ambition burns out. Being underestimated feels unfair. You know what you are capable of, others don't. That gap creates frustration, but impatience is the only real risk. The quiet advantage works best when it's allowed to mature. Validation seeks confirmation, calm ambition seeks outcomes. When outcomes appear consistently, validation becomes irrelevant. Authority forms not because you demanded it, but because it became obvious. Most people can't tolerate being underestimated. They correct too early, they signal too much. They reveal intent before it's necessary. Calm ambition requires restraint. And restraint is uncomfortable, but is also powerful. The quiet advantage isn't hidden, it's ignored. Not because it's weak, but because it doesn't perform strength. Underestimation creates space, space creates leverage. And leverage compounds quietly, that's calm ambition.